Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Whatever time it may be, a pleasant day to you. I am Dane Jared Carbonell, and today I'll be talking about one of the biggest and most exciting trends in ICT, 5G and the upcoming 6G technology. These new network generations are not just upgrades, they are technologies that aim to change how we communicate, how our devices work, and even how society functions. In this video, I'll explain what 5G is, how it works, what 6G aims to achieve, and why these technologies will have a huge impact on the computing industry and our daily lives. 5G stands for Fifth Generation Mobile Network. It's a much faster than 4G and can reach gigabit speeds, which means you can download HD movies in just few seconds. One major advantage of 5G is low latency, meaning the delay between sending and receiving data is extremely low or small. This is important for real-time technologies such as remote surgery, AR or VR, and self-driving cars. 5G uses millimeter waves, which allows it to carry huge amounts of data at very high speeds. But these waves don't travel far. 5G uses network of small cells, small antenna placed in different areas to keep the signal stable. It also uses MIMO or MIMO or multiple input, multiple output technology. This means one antenna can communicate with several devices at the same time, increasing efficiency and speed. Even if 5G is still expanding today, researchers are already working on 6G, which is expected to roll out around 2030. 6G aims to reach speeds up to 1 terabit per second, that's around 100 times faster than 5G. It will use terahertz frequencies, allowing ultra-fast communication. 6G also plans to support technologies such as holographic communication, fully immersive AR and VR, real-time AI systems, and advanced autonomous transportation networks. 5G and 6G will have a massive impact on the computing industry. With much faster networks, computing devices can access cloud service quicker, process AI tasks smoothly, and handle more data efficiently. These technologies are essential for fields like automation, cybersecurity, IoT development, data analysis, and advanced machine learning. They also open up new opportunities for developers and IT professionals as more industries rely on connected systems. These networks also affect our everyday lives. We get faster internet connections, smarter homes, safer transportations, and improved healthcare. 6G might even allow remote medical operations with near zero delay. To conclude, 5G and 6G are not just about faster internet. They are powerful technologies that will shape the future of computing, communication, and society. Understanding these developments helps us prepare for a world that is becoming more digital and more connected. That is all. Thank you for watching and listening.